More news coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in Jeddah for his two-day state visit to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. He was accorded a grand ceremonial welcome, including a 21-gun salute. Pictures on your screen right now are from a few moments ago, where a cultural performance was also put up. The Prime Minister has always interacted with members of the Indian diaspora, as always. During his stay, the Prime Minister, along with the Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia, Prince Mohammed bin Salman, will co-chair the second leaders' meeting of the India-Saudi Arabia Strategic Partnership Council. The meeting is expected to advance cooperation in key areas such as trade, energy, defense and technology. This visit also marks a historic milestone, as the Prime Minister Modi becomes the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Jeddah in 4 decades. Pictures of the Prime Minister interacting with members of the Indian diaspora. The excited as always, looking forward to meet the Prime Minister. He's there in Jeddah, the first Indian Prime Minister to in fact be in Jeddah in the last 40 years or so. It's a 2-day Saudi visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, landing in Jeddah there for a state visit on the invitation of the king. Essentially, during his stay, the Prime Minister, along with the Crown Prince, and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia, Prince Mohammed bin Salman, will co-chair the second leaders' meeting of the India-Saudi Arabia Strategic Partnership Council. Take a look at these pictures. I'm going straight to Shashank for more details. Shashank, as we stay with these pictures of the Prime Minister interacting with members of the diaspora, which always, as we know, Shashank, is a regular feature here. Talk to us about the agenda of the Prime Minister. It's a 2-day visit. What are the deliverables expected?
Well, in terms of what India would like to push with Saudi Arabia, there are a number of key agenda points. Number one, on defense, India has, over the last couple of years, worked much more closely with Saudi Arabia's defense forces. We've launched land exercises, naval exercises as well. We want to sell more defense equipment to Saudi Arabia. That is going to be one key topic of conversation between India and Saudi Arabia. There is the energy trade, which runs into the tens of billions of dollars when it comes to the India-Saudi Arabia energy relationship, whether that comes to crude oil or gas. And that is something that India wants to continue to encourage with Saudi Arabia. It's something that we should be seeing some deliverables on during the Prime Minister's visit. There are also broad strategic questions that need to be deliberated between India and Saudi Arabia. Number one, the attacks by the militant group, the Houthis, in Yemen. Their consistent attacks on shipping in the Red Sea have disrupted global shipping, have disrupted Indian shipping. Saudi Arabia, of course, is a power that has great stakes in Yemen. It borders Yemen, and therefore India will want to discuss what's happening on that front. Also, of course, the conflict between Israel and Palestine at this point in time is also continuing. India will want to discuss those key geopolitical issues as well. And of course, finally, there is the issue of trade. India is talking to a number of countries around the world on trade, but key among them is the Gulf Cooperation Council, of which Saudi Arabia is a very, very key member. And of course, we're going to see a little bit of discussion there as well on trying to sign a free trade agreement between India and Saudi Arabia. So those are a very, very wide-ranging set of deliverables that we hope to see at the end of this visit of Prime Minister Modi to Jeddah.
Also significant the fact that the Prime Minister is the first Prime Minister to visit Jeddah in the last 40 years or so. The last time an Indian leader did it was 40 years ago, Shashank.
Well, absolutely. I think that Saudi Arabia was a country that for a very, very long time was neglected in India's foreign policy. It was really over the last 25 years that we've really reversed that period of historic neglect. And of course, one of the successes that has been attributed to this government in particular has been in terms of the focus on Gulf nations, the material change that has happened in terms of our relationship with Saudi Arabia, in terms of our relationship with the United Arab Emirates as well. Those have been key successes over the last 10 years in terms of pushing India's foreign policy forward. With Saudi Arabia, the establishment of a high-level strategic partnership council so that the leaderships of both countries can talk to each other, push the agenda forward, more trade on energy, strategic petroleum reserves,
Right,
more
Shashank,
more
getting in
defense.
those details, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment.